Okay, so figured I'd do a quick little intro. I'm going to start another cooking series here tonight. Uh, had several of the folks and everything was getting on to me. It's like, you never get in front of the camera anymore. I said, yeah. I said, I've gotten old. I look like an old mountain man. Haven't did my hair up proper in a while. Haven't even cut my hair decent in 6 months. So this is why I don't get in front of the camera anymore, because, well, George Clooney aged pretty good in Hollywood. I didn't. Anyway, so what we're going to do tonight, starting out on this series, I'm going to be doing a pre-fried rice. Now, this is whether it's going to be for, as tonight we're doing a Mexican rice version. I'm also going to be doing fried corn, and what else we doing? Got to think for a minute. Oh, well, later on for Buzzard Rally. Yeah, I mentioned you in here. I'm going to be doing a from scratch. Now, I've never made one of these. It's going to be a from scratch cocoa, guess you could say chocolate, but it's not really going to be a chocolate. It's not going to be like a fudge, or like a lot of times where I do the fudge and caramel swirl cheesecakes, or even a fudge cheesecake. It's going to be just a plain old cocoa, no bake, Philly style cheesecake. It's going to be a low fat, sugar free chocolate cheesecake, all from scratch. So that'll be here after we get the other stuff done, but this is just letting y'all know that we're going to be doing a new series on different dishes. So tonight we're going to be concentrating on just the sides and everything for the Mexican dishes, which is going to be the fried rice, pre-fried rice. Toasted is more like what we're going for here. We're basically just going to pre-toast the rice. Now, two things when you pre-toast the rice. One, it gives it a nice little toasty almond flavor. Also, when you pre-toast the rice, normally for regular rice, it takes 30 minutes, 1 cup of rice, 2 cups of water. This is actual rice, not minute rice or anything like that. So for 1 cup of rice, you put 2 cups of water, and it takes generally about 30 minutes to cook. So what we're going to do when we pre-toast it, one, it's going to give it a nice toasty almond flavor. It also keeps it, in the Chinese dishes and all that stuff, it keeps your rice from being soggy and sticking together. It won't be sticky rice. So it'll be a nice fluffy, non-sticky rice. And that you can use in place of your regular white rice, just boiled rice. Or if you want to do the, teriyaki, add you a little bit of soy sauce, whatever, however you do your regular Chinese white rice. This is just a alternate to the white rice because we are using white rice for it. So we're going to do that, but tonight we're going to do that, and I'm going to make a version of the Mexican dirty Cajun, however you want to look at it, depending on your spices and all that. But we're going to do a Mexican rice, and I'm going to do a fried corn. Now, the taco stuff I've already got done. I did a chicken chili, basically a taco mix, which is what her mama wanted. Normally I'd do shredded chicken. If y'all hadn't seen the shredded chicken burritos, you need to watch the shredded chicken burritos because I love my shredded chicken. So anyway, we're going to do the sides and everything for the taco stuff. And basically this is just a real quick fried corn and toasted rice. But as soon as I get this off here, I'm going to go in and start on it, and we'll go from there. So that'll be the next in our series here.